This is what you get when you spend 900 grand on your bug out vehicle.
Get out of here. That's for that OnlyFans.
She's a lot further along than she was a few weeks ago. A lot of things have happened. It's looking good, and I think you'll be happy with it. Anytime you're doing high quality builds, a lot of things are gonna go wrong because just the minor little details is what makes things high quality, and you gotta spend a lot of time. So we put an insane amount of effort and time into this truck, way more than initially anticipated. We ended up losing a few employees along the way just because they couldn't handle the stress. It was a very insane, long journey, but here we are, and we're ready to show it to Roman, and I think he's gonna love it.
After installing all this stuff, the truck will get scratches and get stuff on the paint or on the Raptor, and so we're just kind of going back over that right now, just kind of cleaning everything well, making sure the wiring's good. Yesterday I kind of dealt with some of the AC stuff. So Jeff's putting the dash together. Jeff has been a little bit stressed out.
So Jeff, how are you?
I mean, I'm great. I mean, I'm pretty good. I don't know, I've just been sitting here staring at this for like the last month or two, so. I mean, I've done funner stuff in my life, that's for sure. It's a good experience. I mean, I don't recommend it for everybody, but I mean, look at the final product when it's done, and I think it'll be worth all our efforts. So.
Are you gonna miss it whenever it's gone?
No, not at all.
All right, that was Roman, boys. We got 15 minutes. Let's go.
We're here at Swap Mod in Minnesota behind enemy lines, here to pick up the culmination of a year and a half of effort. So this all started off with a buddy of mine sending me a DM, purchased it a week later. It was not in the best condition, and he came down to see the vehicle, and here we are today after the build's already finished. I have not seen it yet, so I'm really excited to check it out. Let's go see it.
Ladies first.
No, you go first. You go first. Oh my goodness. Whoa, whoa, wee, whoa.
Very nice, very nice.
Wow. Okay. That's excessive. Oh my goodness. I think it looks incredible. This is nuts. It's a physical object.
Don't hurt your hand.
Touch and smell. It smells fresh. It's crazy.
I'm glad you like it.
Yeah.
If you didn't like it, we were going to show you the door.
There we go. All right, that opens. Oof, look at that. Look at those breaching ram arms. So cool. Wow. Huh. You put the rubber padding over here. That's a nice touch.
Yep, that was Tyler going above and beyond.
That was very, very nice touch. And you got the battering ram in the front, so this lives up here, right?
Yeah. Depends on how much you weigh.
Oh my gosh, look at this thing. This is super, super cool. Oh, look at that. Wow. It's crazy. I think it looks badass. It's honestly, it looks better than what I expected when I set out and started the project. The Swap Mod team did come together and add some finishing touches to it and made some recommendations along the way on things to modify. This is why America's a great country. All right, give me the grand tour, Jeff. The grand tour of the
Jeff
inside.
has essentially lived in this spot here
Yeah?
since you were last here. So for about the last month, he hasn't left this spot.
Stepping inside for the first time. Wow, look at this. This is so cool. This is amazing.
It's comfortable. I mean, you know, it's good to wear a helmet in here, I guess. Wow. These are really hardcore.
Them are real 5-point
I like that
harnesses,
touch
yep.
of red to match the front red.
Yep.
Which is excellent.
Okay, so there's lights here. That's cool. And the turret. Okay, so show me how this works.
Yeah, we didn't rotate it all the way around with the gun.
Okay, so we got to be cautious to
Yeah,
see what the.
just, we put it up there for the show, but we never put it up there.
I like how he's just like, oh, let's find out.
All right.
Okay, that's awesome.
Let's fire it up. I want to see hear how it sounds. That's great. What's this?
That's thermal imaging. This whole thing shifts over.
Oh wow.
This drops down. Tighten that up. Move it around. That's the thermal imaging. It's right above you right now. So
So GPS specifically for truckers?
that's your bumper up and down button.
Oh, okay. Bumper up and down. And I guess the intent is to help you do more plowing. Oh wow. That's like on the floor. Huh.
You can push anything out of the way.
I know. I don't even think that's needed to push anything out of the way. Oh, it's so sick.
Slow, but it's safe that way.
Yeah.
Kind of cool too, you know.
So where's the
PA?
PA system? Yeah. Sarah, stop resisting. Stop resisting. Get down. Get down now.
Yeah, you gotta hit. So here's your horn.
Does it sound good? That's loud. Sorry, guys. Sir, stop resisting. Stop resisting. What are all these different options?
Hey!
here?
And then, hey, this is your front and rear. This red.
Oh, so this is all the cop stuff. Look what we have done.
We got all the front lights on, it'll blind you now.
Oh, nice.
Looks amazing.
Okay, so that's all the lights. Cool. Okay.
It's like when E.T. phoned home and his spaceship came. That's what this is.
Yeah. Yeah, this is a beautiful touch. Very well done. Blackwater. It looks awesome, man. Good job. Good job on the whole project and putting it all together. It is just gorgeous. It looks very well polished, buttoned up. A lot of thought has gone into it. It's incredible. I mean, it's really breathtaking. I feel like crying, but I'm not gonna be a little bitch, so.
Cut that
We're gonna take it out on the spin.
out.
fun. It drove very smoothly, and it was awesome. Very impressed. Very impressed with its handling characteristics. You could definitely tell the difference before when it had the leaf spring suspension versus the TAC 4 suspension. It does ride better. It does kind of absorb bumps better, and it's just an overall smoother ride. So very impressed with the system.
What's this?
The bill. Yep.
So now it's time to go over the bill, see what was installed, and then also go over the pricing, because I'm sure you guys want to know what this build would cost. If you were building a high budget bug out vehicle yourself and you wanted to go balls to the wall, this is what balls to the wall would cost you. Okay, so ballistic glass, all in on that, we were $15,538, and then another $742 to tint it. Total for the tires was $9,492. And then the siren and PA system was another $1,764. Okay. Now we're on to invoice 2.
You serious?
All right, guys, so just to summarize this whole build here. So if we were to pay retail for this entire project, we're looking at a total of 3,629 hours, which would come out to retail $635,075, and the parts costs was $122,023.60, for a total of $757,098.60. That's without the actual truck that we used for the build. The truck cost us $115,000 for a grand total of $872,098.60. Nate, thanks so much, brother.
Thank you, brother.
Now that Nate and I have settled up the bill, the SWAT mod team takes the Grizzly out for a final shakedown drive before it gets wrapped up for transportation to Las Vegas.
Fit for the crown and I wove it tighter. Leading the charge of a whole empire. Open fire. Cut from a different cloth. Came from the mud, now I'm lifting off like a mist.
The clock is ticking, and SHOT Show is only a couple days away. We have a small window of time to get it into our booth at the Venetian, and arriving in time is critical.
If I say it, then I mean it. 10 toes down, never been defeated.
Seeing the Grizzly driving on the streets of Las Vegas is a pretty epic sight. The MRAP was a huge success, everyone loved it, and it was a great ending to this epic saga in breathing new life into a long-forgotten beast. All right, guys, thanks for watching. This wraps up the Pimp My MRAP series. I hope you loved it. Make sure to share it with a friend who you'd bug out with. Signing out.